Where's Mrs. Sheep? A hiccup! She must be over there. Quick, quick! Hey, look, Hiccup Hunter Binoo! Mrs. Sheep is over there! She's playing leapfrog! Oh, I love playing leapfrog.
Don't worry, Daddy.
Look at me! Again!
Aha! Mrs. Sheep can't play leapfrog anymore because of her hiccups. Now everybody has the hiccups. Oh, wow! Let's cure them all. Hi, Mrs. Sheep. I'm Hiccup Hunter Toopy, and this is Hiccup Hunter Binoo. To cure hiccups, we're the best, best, best.
Really? The fabulous hiccup hunters? This means we're gonna be cured. Hey, everyone, it's the fabulous hiccup hunters. We're gonna be cured. We're gonna be cured.
Bravo! Bravo!
Cure us! Cure us! Please.
Ah, yes, please, please. Oh, please, please. Yes. All right, all right. Hiccup Hunter Binoo, look at me. I, the great Hiccup Hunter Toopy, have a wonderful idea. The fabulous Hiccup Hunter took something from his bag and began to wind it and wind it. Then suddenly... Their hiccups are gone! I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm... Oh, they still have the hiccups! But wait, I'll have another extraordinary idea. Look at me, Hiccup Hunter Binoo. Hiccup Hunter Binoo? Binoo! Where are you? It's you, Hiccup Hunter Binoo! Oh, you make an absolutely fantastic wolf! Oh, I thought it was a real wolf. Oh, it was so scary. Hey, listen! I don't hear any hiccup.
No hiccups? Really?
Yes, they're right.
Our hiccups are gone!
Thank you. No hiccups are too strong for the amazing Hiccup Hunters! Hiccups, hiccups, where are you? Hiccups, hiccups, we'll find you. We can see you with our ears. We can make you disappear. Beware! You're right behind you. Watch out! We're gonna get you. Hiccups, hiccups, where are you? The great Hiccup Hunters! That's us. We'll find you.
You really are the best hiccup hunters in the whole wide world.
You're welcome. So the two wonderful hiccup hunters let all the sheep play leapfrog together. Once...
I was just kidding.